Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix taskbar keeps popping up while playing games on Windows 11. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is change taskbar settings. Third method is turn off game mode. Fourth method is change Copilot app settings. Fifth method is turn off notify action settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.